Drivers Loop Total Parts Pro. Today the 2021 Yaris Cross, stock number 72322. It's run from the 6th 2020 to the current shape. It's an E15 1.5 litre hybrid petrol engine via an electric drive automatic transmission. This is the M15 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory American tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,